Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak iOS 11 to the straight up to the iOS 13.5 including 13.5.5 beta 1. And this method is no PC method. That means you don't require any PC or computer to jailbreak your device. Last night Uncover team dropped a new version of Uncover that is 5.3.0 and then again they drop a new update that is 5.3.1. In this update they support to the latest iOS version that is 12.4.8 for the older device that are iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPad Air 1, iPad Mini 2. Now you can update and jailbreak these iOS version without PC, and all the support of iOS 11 to straight up to the iOS 13.5 also included in this update. And if you haven't seen my last video that is on the same topic, iOS 12 jailbreak no PC by the Rootless jailbreak team, but that jailbreak has less success rate, but this Uncover has high success rate and it's a stable jailbreak. Now you can easily switch to Rootless jailbreak or Checkra1n jailbreak to the Uncover jailbreak. Just restore your device if you are on Checkra1n jailbreak, and if you are Rootless jailbreak, just install Uncover. It will delete all the leftover files of the Rootless jailbreak. So now I have deleted the jailbreak from my mobile. Now I have go to my Wi-Fi settings. Then you have to connect with any of your Wi-Fi. Click on I button and then scroll down. You have to configure proxy. Just click on automatic and then you have to type the URL, the same on display on the screen. So you have to type exactly same. So it's ffapple.com. Okay, so now just save it and go back, and now you have to disconnect your Wi-Fi and connect it back so that the settings will be refreshed. After that, just go to settings again and go to the Safari settings and then scroll it down, and you have to see the clear history option. Just clear the Safari history. After that, just open the Safari and the link in the description. You have to go to the site to download the Uncover for no PC. So I will give the link in the description or on my blog also, so you can check it from there. Now you will see this website. Just scroll it down and you will see the Uncover option. So let me just, now here it is. Now you have to install from the first link, that is Git. All the other links are for old version and maybe it will be revoked. So just click on the first link and then close this ad, and after that you will see the installing option for Uncover. If it is not showing, just click again and then close the ad and it will show. So you have to clear your history of Safari browser, then it will work. Now just tap on install. After that you will see the downloading is started on your home screen. So just wait for complete download. Now as you can see, Uncover is successfully downloaded on my home screen. Just click on that and you will see the untrusted option. So you have to first trust it from the settings, device management, and you will see the profile. Just click on that and then trust it. After that you are ready to jailbreak your device. So make sure that your device is compatible and iOS version is also compatible with this. So you will get so many options for disable the automatic updates and other things, so you can check out this. After that, just jailbreak your device. If you see any error while jailbreaking or it's rebooting, just reboot your device again. So as you can see, I got some errors, so I will just manually reboot my device and try it again, because I already previously jailbroken my device with Rootless jailbreak and Checkra1n jailbreak. So sometimes it gives error because some of the files are left over. It will automatically remove the previous jailbreak files, but still if you got any error, just reboot your device and try it again. It will surely work. Now I will try again. Just tap on Uncover and start the jailbreak again. Now as you can see, this time it's working. So just reboot your device and try it again and it will work. So after that you will see your jailbreak process is completed without any errors. So your device will be reboot automatically. So as you can see, jailbreak is completed without any errors. Just click on OK and it will reboot your device. Now finally your device is jailbroken with the Uncover jailbreak latest version 5.3.1. So as you can see, the Uncover is working and showing re-jailbreak. That means jailbreak is completed, and the Uncover is also working. So this is how you can jailbreak your device with Uncover. All the devices that are running on iOS 11 to straight up to the iOS 13.5, including 13.5.5 beta 1 is supported, and iOS 12.4.8 is also supported for the older device. So you can try with this method to install the Uncover, and if this method get revoked, I will make another method to get the Uncover with no PC and no computer. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.